So from today we are starting our new playlist that is on top 50 string coding problems for interviews, right? So, and the first problem is reverse the word in a given string. So again, it's so much easy. You can use HTML, or you can reverse the string using, okay, it is not just using reverse function, right? It's like they will be giving you, let us see a touch case. I like this program very much, so much very program this like I. So you need to reverse this manner. It is not just reverse from like the reverse function what we can use in HTML. So you can't do that. So given a string, reverse the string without reversing its individual words. So words are separated by what? Dots. So what you can do? So create a string. Okay. You need to push back, right? You need to push back. So you need to take this string and push back. So how do you get this string? So if you find like a relation between dots and these words, then again this becomes easy. So let's see how we can solve this. So take a string and then you push back the elements, that is character, till you find dot, right? Okay. After that, when I find dot, I'm going to reverse that string, then store that in other string, right? So that can be done. So let us try with that. So, and your task, you need to return this string. Okay, I need to return. Time complexity is big of yes. Okay, that means big of n. S means it is the size of the string. That is what they are talking about. Now, how can you solve this? So as I said, we will start from back. So int I is equal to 0 to s dot size, then I will be greater than equal to 0, then I minus, right? I'll get inside. Then if you find, you need to push back, simply you need to push back into this string. So let me create a string, let me call it as yes or htr. Okay, again I will create another string that is called answer, right? So let me explain you how it works. So here I need to, so they will be giving you like, let me take I am Indian. Okay, Indian. Now I will traverse from behind, right? From last index. Now I'm going to take a string called str. Then I'm going to take a string called answer. Now I'm traversing from behind. Then when until I find dot, I keep on inserting n, a, I, d, n, I. So into my string str. Now when I find dot, right? If you find dot, right? If you find dot at that time, you do what? You reverse that string str dot begin and whatever that is str that we are going to cover. Str dot begin comma str dot end. So you can do that. Then str will be reversed. Now I'm going to insert that or push back into my actual, that is the actual back. It is a final string. I'm going to push back that str into final string. After that, I'm going to push back dot also, right? I need to push back dot as well. So that is what I can do. Now let's see how we can code that. So if, again I should start from here. So if s of I is not equal to dot, at that time I need to simply push into str, push, push back, 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 push back s of I, right? Okay. After that, else, that means if you get dot at that time, you need to reverse this string, reverse, reverse str dot begin, then str dot end. So after that I need to push back this into my back into my actual string. I can do that. After that I'm going to push back what? Dot also. So after that I'm going to return the answer itself, right? So answer dot push, push back this dot, then again much will be reversed and pushed into answer, and dot will be pushed, then again this, again I need to clear this string, right? I need to clear str dot clear, clear this temporary string. After that this will be pushed in, push, and this will be pushed, and this will be pushed. So after much is taken into string, right, you can't find that dot, right? At that time what you need to do, else if s of I, if it is equal to dot, or right, or if I is equal to 0, or you can say, so it will not reach this point, right? So this point will be not reached. So what you can, at last you can simply, so much will be stored in the str, right? After that when you reached 0, then again last element will be pushed into str, and at last you will come out of the loop. Again you need to reverse this and push it into string, and you don't need to push the dot operator now. I think I need to return this. So return return answer. So let me compile this. So there are some no match for the function. So so can't I push back this string, right? I think only characters can be pushed back. So I need to give some other keyword built-in functions like insert or something. So let me see what we can use. So append is for the string, so I need to use append here. So for character you can use pushback. So append for this, if you want to push back complete string you need to use append. So let us run now. So again here also I should write append, sorry for this, append. So let me compile this. So I'm getting the result, right? So let me run. So all the test cases are passed. So again I forgot this built-in function here, so you can remember this, and this is also so much helpful. So thank you.